Alrighty, just a short ride today, off for a bit of a walk and check out a couple more waterfalls. And they're right next to each other. It's the Tangoio Falls and the Tangoio Falls, and I probably butchered that name completely, so my apologies for that. Driven past them a number of times before and never bothered stopping, so thought, well, it's a fairly nice day, I want to go for a walk. And here we are. Tangoio Falls Scenic Reserve. So here we go. Tangoio Falls, 40-minute return. Tangoio, 50 minutes. And there's a car park further up the road that you can sort of make it a through route. So let's go and see what it's like, eh? Waterfall. And there it is. There we go, Tangoio Fall. And my understanding is that Tangoio actually means cave. And I guess this hollow that it's carved out here is really a cave. Maybe at one point there's more of an overhang at the top. I'm not sure if you can see on this. Probably can't. There's a small little nook in the rocks on the other side there, and there is a white duck sitting in it. What a duck is doing hanging out here, I have no idea. Right, so that's Tangoio Falls done. Now, they just label it as waterfall. Yeah, there's more than one waterfall here. There's Tangoio. 15 minutes. Let's have a look. Falls, lookouts. So there you go. Can't get close up to this one. The stream below is officially out of bounds. That's just one of those nice slopey sort of waterfalls rather than a straight drop. So I'm sure it would look quite impressive when there's been a lot of rain. In the last few years we haven't had much rain in this district, there's been droughts. Anyway, let's get the drone out. Oh, there we go. Short walk around the waterfalls. And I'm glad I left when I did, because about 20 or 30 people showed up, all separate groups. So it's definitely worth going early if you want the place to yourself. So that's a very nice short walk. Not very far at all out of Napier. So you can easily pop out for lunch, or you know, just a short outing. You don't need to make a day of it. It's just a wee little thing. And there's some big barbecue tables there as well, so you can make a big picnic. They're at the start of the track though. There's not really much room if there's a number of people at the waterfalls themselves. Anyway, what next? Let's see. In the meantime, thanks for watching. And like and subscribe. That's the thing you're supposed to say on YouTube, isn't it? Like and subscribe.